Hello, my name is S. Diego. I'm an ECE IT student assistant under Jason Kawaja, and I'm here to present me and Rami Lakshmi's work on the ECE course planning chatbot. To start off, why are we building this chatbot? Well, electrical engineering students are unsure about what courses to take. Um, these students have many requirements to meet for their major, such as the breadth, depth, and interdisciplinary elective categories. Information on what specific courses meet these requirements can be really hard to find and conflicting. They can be scattered across different websites like the ECE main page, one.uf, or some students might be confused on what courses meet certain requirements. And there's only one electrical engineering advisor to really help students clarify this predicament. So helping electrical engineering students choose the right courses is really important. It helps them graduate on time and make sure they don't miss any classes they need to take. It also helps them be more competitive for internships. Employees are looking for students that take certain classes. So um, if they don't haven't taken the classes they need for, say, a robotics internship, then they might not be able to get it. So to solve this problem, we're designing an LM-powered ECE course planning chatbot to help students plan their semester schedules for their 4 to 5 years here at UF. Our program is unique is that it will be actually fast and accurate, as the LM will draw on the same information that one.uf uses for its courses, as you can see here. We are pulling public course data from UF and organizing locally. As you can see on the left-hand side, we are gathering information from about 400 different courses across 3 academic years and organizing them into our own tables in a way that it's easy for us to call them or for a program to use them. And we've also developed our own major requirement checker for electrical engineering. As for our features, we kind of have two big categories right now. One, we can help students answer simple questions such as questions about professors, courses, and what they can take for a semester. And we can also help them do complex tasks such as planning courses over several semesters. I can show you all this through our demo. So, for example, if you want to know what courses Professor Chatterjee teaches, since we like this classes so much, we can just select option 1 and then enter his name here. And we can see he takes like circuits 1 and special topics in electrical engineering. If you want to figure out what the prerequisites are for a certain class, for example, circuits 2, we can, our program tells us the 4 classes that we need to take for that. Lastly, for the course info category, um, if you want to figure out what courses we can take after taking a certain class, we can select option 6, and you can test it out here with Intro to Electrical Engineering. And you can see we can take circuits too, as Intro to Electrical Engineering is a prerequisite. Next, for degree planning, we can give our program our own schedule and courses that we've taken, or planning to take. So if you want to add another semester and enter courses, and here we can enter, boom, we have our semester 2 loaded up. And now if you want to check if our schedule meets or how far we're progressing across the electrical engineering major, we can select option 11. And you can see here that we are have completed several core electrical engineering courses and a few critical tracking courses too. And lastly, if you want to plan a semester, option 13 is a really helpful tool. Here, it not only gives you courses that you can take based on your prerequisites, the courses that you should take based on electrical engineering major requirements, it also gives you courses that are based on your interests. So if I'm interested in computers, for example, or programming, you will start the courses that matches those keywords and put them higher up on the priority list for the course. And I can add these courses into my semester schedule. And then, I also want to take digital logic, add that to my schedule. And I can add these two courses to semester 3. Okay. That's it for our command line interface options. And these functionalities will help us, will help the LLM prompt give more accurate responses. And we actually started work on integrating LLM and a graphical interface here. This is work done by my coworker Ramya. As you can see here, it looks like a standard ChatGPT or a Claude interface where you can give your responses here and the LLM responds. But we're working right now on having the LM be more helpful and give more consistent responses. Um, so yeah. As for next features, we want to first have the program automatically load courses if students taken already. Um, Next, have us check students' progress on the EC course pathways. And lastly, help students answer more subjective questions that you'd kind of expect that an LM would do, such as what courses should I take if I want to work with cars? That's all for me. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, you can contact me or Ramya below. Thank you.